guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanvi Sughara. I am new here because मैंने कोई खास वीडियोस वैसे डाली नहीं थी YouTube पे पहले, so this is going to be my second video. तो please बहुत ज़्यादा mean मत हो जाना comments पे and yeah, if I can improve on anything, you can definitely write down in comments or go to my Instagram and DM me over there, however you like. So this channel is going to be all about obviously fashion and lifestyle, but also some fun elements, some fun challenges. Also we can get some fun people on board with us, and also I will try to get my husband on board. So if you guys see some potential in me, because ये तो अभी मेरा second video है, खैर potential पता नहीं चलेगा. But if you think that I am interesting and if you follow me on Instagram, then you definitely have to hit the subscribe button. But if you are new to Tanvi Sukharam Doshi, then I think you might take time, but you should definitely give it a try, hit subscribe, और एक महीने में अगर नहीं अच्छा लगे तो unsubscribe कर देना. So आज का video is going to be very simple. I'm just going to show you one product. It's a luxury beauty product and I have a dupe of it, and I also have the real product. It's from Nars. You guys can see it. This one is dupe and this one is real. How do you differentiate between two? So first point is packaging. अगर आप packaging देखोगे, so इसके पीछे कुछ लिखा नहीं है and इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है. So this is the packaging difference of this is real. And this product right here, it is dupe. So अभी हम bottle को खोलेंगे and then we can see is there any difference or not. Obviously मैंने देख लिया है because use किया हुआ है. So I will show it to you. So this one ये dupe वाला है. अगर मैं इसको खोलूँ, ये packaging ही टूटा हुआ है, अंदर से पूरा चिपक गया है. So this is one thing. God knows how they have made it. And now this is the original Nars. So when you open, this is how the original Nars bottle looks. So this is the difference in the pump. Now this shade is Orgasm. If you can see, I am not sure if you can differentiate well, but if you see, this is very liquidy and ये थोड़ा thick है, and even there is a color difference here. Okay, so now I'm just going to apply both on each side of my face and show it to you guys the difference. There's a lot, trust me. So I'll just show it. We'll try something. See, so liquidy it is coming down. Normally I use the blending sponge, but you see a sheer pink thing here. Now we are going to try the original one. So this is the original bottle with a beautiful pump, and I'll take one drop here. Now if you see, this is thick. ये easily नीचे नहीं आ रहा है. Okay, so this is real. This is how you can actually differentiate between a real and a. इसको देखोगे, just look at the pigmentation. Oh God, मुझे लग रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. ये देखो और ये देखो. Just look at the pigmentation here. ये देखो, ये कुछ नहीं है. This is nothing. जबकि इधर प्रोडक्ट भी ज़्यादा लगा है. आधा प्रोडक्ट तो ये मेरे हाथ में ही है. So guys, this is how you differentiate between real and fake Nars Orgasm liquid blush. So if you gain some knowledge, if you learned something about this product, definitely please ये मेरा second video, please hit like, comment below how can I get better with YouTube. एक तो ये इधर देखूँ या उधर देखूँ समझ नहीं आ रहा है पहले तो. I think it will come with time. But हाँ, please like कर दीजिए and also subscribe this channel and also share with your friends. See you guys. Bye bye.